I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to change the dock position on a macOS device, such as an iMac or a MacBook. Step 1. Click to open the System Settings app. Step 2. Scroll down the menu on the left side of the window and then click Desktop and Dock. Step 3. Navigate to the Dock section on the right side of the screen, and then find Dock Position on Screen in this section. By default, this will show bottom. Step 4. Click the current selection associated with dock position on screen to open a menu. Choose left to position the Mac dock on the left side of the screen. Click right if you want the dock to show up on the right side of the screen, or click bottom to place the dock in the default location at the bottom of your screen. The Mac dock position will be changed immediately after you make your selection. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.